10,000 tick trap.
Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys are here. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Joshua Goolsby, good morning. First day trading 2P accounts. Thanks to y'all. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Congratulations. Blacklight, morning, everyone. It's been wacky with no volume. I'm just trading the morning sessions and calling it a day. Congrats, Joshua. Let's hope they make it to day 2. Let's go. Yeah, I agree. I think end of the year, definitely funky stuff's going on. Just not, well, funky stuff as in not much is going on. But yeah, it's making it difficult to trade. Lots of choppiness. Happy camper. Happy Thursday, y'all. Be careful this week. Yep. Let's be careful for the next 2 days. Joshua Goolsby. Yeah, then your next goal after PA is to get to payouts. It's like the next achievement you need to try to get. Will Curtis, good morning. Wayne Bickman, good morning. Sage House. Good morning. Yesterday's stream was so fun. Thanks for putting that together, man. Let's go. It was. It was, especially on a day like yesterday where there was virtually nothing happening in the market. What a nice surprise. What a nice treat for you guys and for me. Lou the writer, good morning, welcome. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Also scalp that like button if you can. That is if you can. If you can't, then I get it. Like if you have no hands, maybe you can use your nose. But like if it's like if you're a vegetable, you virtually cannot get to your your computer or your phone. You can't. But if you can, then scalp that like button. Like if you're physically able to, then go ahead and scalp it. Blacklight Jesse. First, we must cross the payout ocean before docking into payout shore. Then embark on the treacherous walk throughout Pay Jungle before we arrive at Payout City. It's true. This is a lot you got to get through. I'm almost to Payout City right now with that first account. If you look at the top left of your screen, you can see my accounts right now, and so close, so close. Mike Jesus says once you get payout, the goal is to get more consistent payouts to get to payout number 2, 3, and 4. GC Burke, good morning. Charles Wilson, good morning. Joshua says, do you have any info on consistency with Apex? Check. Is it too low? How about that? Check. So it's gonna clip. Check. So, all right. Let's try that. Sorry if your eardrums blew. Your eardrums do up. All right. I pretty much brought it back to the regular. I'm just speaking directly into the mic. That's the problem. Consistency rules. So the only consistency rules are the 30% rule and also don't trade news. That's not really consistency, but those are basically your 2 rules for PA accounts. That's why I love Apex, because the rules are so, the trailing threshold basically takes care of everything else. It makes it difficult enough. So they really take away like any other restrictions when it comes to trading. But there's a 30% consistency rule that is not at 100%, right? If you do Top Step or other prop firms, they have consistency rules that are hard set in stone. But for Apex, the consistency rule is more like a guideline for them. And the 30% consistency rule is for the PAs. For the PAs, you have you cannot make in one day more than 30% of your profits. So let's say you get to payout city, and in one day you have $3,000 in total, and in one day you made $1,000. They may not allow you to get a payout because technically for that one day you had made 33%. But that's no problem. All you have to do is keep trading until your account balance is big enough so that one day that you made $1,000 is no longer 33%. So let's say you get your account balance to what, 3,500 or whatever it needs to be to make that one day that you made $1,000 less than 30%. But that being said, that is a general rule of thumb. It's not a hard rule. What they're really just trying to prevent is those people who trade, who basically just get lucky, and then they trade micros for the rest of the time until they just get to payouts. Right? They just have one lucky day. And that's it. So it's like, but if you trade consistently every day, and you're actually trading just like a regular person, then I'm pretty sure they're gonna, not really look at that consistency rule. Panda, the don't trade news rule, is that like Top Step where you can't trade a minute before, during, or after the news? They don't have a hard and fast rule for the news rule either. I think that's also a general rule of thumb. I just don't want to be in a trade before the news and then into the news. But if it's like after the news and I have a setup like literally maybe like 5 seconds after the news, and it triggers my setup, then from interviews and from certain things they have said, they basically say like, if you can like show or prove that your trade was not done because of news, but really done because of a setup, like you do that setup every single day, it just happened to be around news time, then I believe that they'll take it away. But or they really wouldn't consider it a news trade. That's what they've said. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know. But for me, I feel like, let's just say Big Mama triggers because of news. So I'm not in the. I still won't be in a trade before news into the news, just in general, because that the if it's real news, it could be crazy. Like it could explode, and it could just destroy your accounts. So just a general rule of thumb for myself. But yeah. But yeah, if you can like essentially like show them like, yeah, this is a setup I just normally do, and it's not because I took this trade because like I took it for the news. Again, they're trying to prevent those people who are gambling, right? Who are just trying to like take advantage of the fact that there's no risk, no risk for the person taking the trade. All the risk goes to Apex, and they're just trying to get rid of those people, get rid of those payouts. I mean, it's smart, right? You want them to have some measures to protect themselves for that, because the healthier Apex is, the better off we are trading with Apex, right? Like, it's if it's good news for Apex, it's good news for those who use Apex, because it makes Apex more. I'm not sure reliable is the right word, but it makes it more stable. Let's say that. All right. Quick look at the daily chart. We have a strong bull bar, ending near its high. Yeah, Blacklight has a good analogy for it. It should be an assist, not the actual shot. All right, opening near the previous day's close, triggering the second entry long on the 10,000 tick. I feel like we're in a trading range here, but it's a very strong bull bar. We're about to trigger Big Mama right off the bat here. Big Mama triggered right in the opening. I'm gonna set on my pause here. I gotta wait a little bit. But Big Mama does trigger right away. I'll take it on a second attempt. Right, the first attempt has a fail first. I'll take it on a second attempt. It's just too early, too soon, and trading range. Right, in yesterday's trading range, this could still be a trading range.
$10,000 tick trap.
Just waiting though. The last couple days, the last week of trading for the holiday is it is low volume in general, and I think I think at least I'm sensing that the low volumeness of the holiday, the last week of trading of the year. Uh, I mean, if you look at this price action, it's not like this is incredible to trade. Very hard to catch these huge moves up. These huge moves, right, up and down, and then at the very last bar of the 5-minute chart, you get this huge move back up. It's just not something that I could really predict or trade. It's difficult for me, even though it's kind of like clear. It's in a trading range. Like even if it's a trading range and clear, that you're not expecting at the end of the day just to zoom all into the top of the trading range. I'm not expecting that. It can pretty much end anywhere in the trading range for the day. So it is what it is. But pandas, it doesn't matter because we were the greatest community on YouTube verified, so that's what's important. Bill 7 says Panda. He should say pandas. Because we're all here for you. But Bill 7's goal is for the next year, and I think this is everyone's goal, to be honest. My goal for the new year is to get a PA account, keep it, get multiple payouts from it. Ultimately, I want to get 20 funded accounts, hopefully in the new year. Summer in the Rockies. Good morning, Panda. Welcome. Why? I'm still angry I didn't win anything yesterday. It's okay, YL. Some things, no reason to get angry with things that are out of your control. If it's out of your control, it is what it is. Hugh, good morning. And if something is what it is, there's nothing you can do about it. So no fuss. No reason to make a fuss. Maybe at 50K, you might win something. NJ, good morning, fellow winners. Somewhere in the Rockies, BBM 80, good to go. You guys can test it out. It's BBM 80 is just 71% off now. Apex wasn't kidding. We tried to call their bluff. Apex said that they're not going to do a BB or a 90% off code for a long time. And we try to call their bluff and say, hey, you know what? I'm not going to buy one. I'm not going to buy an eval until you get 90% off. Because we thought that they were going to do one for Christmas. And, man, they're proving us wrong. They're surely proving us wrong. NJ, good morning, fellow winners. We got a lot of winners here from yesterday. Where's Charles Wilson at? Charles Wilson, where you at? He's in the chat. He said good morning. What a winner. I mean, what a way to end the year, huh? We gave away $1,000 worth of prizes. It was amazing. And gave away free evals and also raised over $400 for St. Jude. Thanks to you guys. I mean, that is a nice. We accomplished a lot yesterday. Phil said, earning is my term for winning in the market. Yeah, I mean, that's what we're doing. We earned it. We put our hard efforts into reading this price action. Got a bull bar with a big wick. Still could be okay, we're now going back into the wick. Ends up making a small trading range. Maybe retest the top of the wick here. Wouldn't be surprised. I don't have a trade here though. I mean, to me, this strong bull bar, it could just be in a trading range, right? Bull leg in the trading range. It's because it's still within the range, this bull bar. That's kind of where I made my mistake here. We had a strong bear bar, but look, it's within the range of this leg down. So I got eager. I mean, we did have another leg down. I could have made bamboo here with these two contracts, but I tried to get one more move down, and instead it reversed on me pretty violently. I took a small hit here yesterday, but you know, it's not that bad. It was a fine skunk. It wasn't that big of a deal, to be honest. I lost a little bamboo. I like a couple more legs here. This is a little bit confusing. Knowing the Santa Claus rally, this could literally just float for the rest of the year. Seriously, you could just buy anything, everything, and make money probably. Um, well, what a surprise. Looks like another low volume day today. We'll see though. Curious to see what happens here. Somewhere in the Rocky says those accounts I see upper left. What do you have to reach to? What do you have to reach to get PA things? These are actually PA accounts. What I need to reach to is 2,600 to get to Payout City. Top left of your screen, these are funded accounts. Okay. Might get a nice little push up here. With a bull bar, I may just buy it. I don't know. It's hard to say. Bull bar, any near its high. Maybe always in long here. I just don't know. I kind of want to miss the boat here. It's kind of blasting off. Two bull bars. Big bull bar. Some follow through here. This is really hard for me to tell. I don't know. The reason why I'm confused is because I don't know if it's a trading range, like a big trading range, right? Which can continue for today, into today. Sure, why not? But, or this strong bull bar. This is why trading range suck. Because it tells you, it gives you mixed signals. It gives you all these mixed signals. Right? It's a bull leg, strong bull leg in a trading range, and then just completely dies. Could be a bull flag here too. Getting a micro double bottom. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Did you guys survive yesterday? Oh, breaking the low. Ouch. I may try a second attempt on Big Mama here. Ooh, what a push down. Okay, it looks more like trading range now. It looks like it failed to break out of this big box here. For her to make a box on the levels here. It looks like it failed to really break out here. I mean, super strong bull bar. I don't know. Should I just be selling up here? Thinking we're getting back to the bottom of the box? Maybe. It's scary. And also it's hard to trade these trading ranges because it's scary to try to just sell limit orders up here. Even though that's what institutions are doing, it's hard for me to do it. I know that's what institutions are doing because we're seeing the price action already happening. And you could tell that they're selling with limit orders up here. With these wicks.
10,000 tick trap.
$10,000 tick is actually looking a little bullish right now. Right, we're staying above the 20 MA, kind of creating a couple legs down to it. It looks a little bullish to me, actually. Limit order, right? Bulls just bought with limit orders here. You can tell with the micro double bottom. Huh. Bulls are in control. Still, it looks like. I don't know. All in all, amazing day. amazing price action. I mean, I just see, 4 overlapping bars right now. Sometimes, pandas, it's okay to admit you have no idea what's going to happen. There's a chance that this could be a bull flag of some sort. I'm almost eager to try. Igor. If you're eager, you might become an Igor. What is going on? Ooh. I don't know, pandas. Second entry long on the 10,000 tick chart. And the 20 EMA is obviously acting as some sort of support here on the 10,000 tick. Right, it's very clear it's acting as support here. Is my only trade a short trade here? If my only trade's a short trade, I'll like a lower high somewhere. Only problem I'm seeing right now is bullish behavior, right? Micro double bottom, buying with limit orders here. Still bullish, right? Strong bull bar. You actually get a bull bar here as well, and a follow through bull bar. The inside bar fails to really push up and reverses, but now this reversal is failing and getting a higher high here. Maybe a higher high and a higher low here developing. How do I know? Like, how do you know when it's a higher high, higher low? Well, you gotta learn how to count legs. If you know how to count legs, you don't know when there's a higher high, higher low. Right? These are called pivots. You have to recognize how to make pivots. Pivots basically are the turning points of each leg. So right now we're in this up leg, we'll call it bull leg, and it turns to a bear leg once you break any candles low. And when there's a bear leg, once it converts from a bull leg to bear leg, then you gotta use the highest point that bull leg made, and that's your pivot. And then same thing the other way. Now we're in a bear leg, and whenever a candle breaks the previous candle's high, you gotta find the lowest point of the bear leg, and that will be your pivot. So right now we have a pivot here, which will potentially create a higher low if we break a previous candle's high. So let's just say this candle finishes and the next candle breaks the high of this candle. Then we have officially made a pivot in a higher low. Whoa, higher low. Looks like it's about to trigger here. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm a sucker for this. I could also make a second entry long here as well. I'm kind of a sucker for this setup here. Mainly because we got a second entry long looking really bullish on the 10K chart as well. I want to see a trigger and see what happens for a little bit. If it just like tick shots and reverses, we try to avoid it. I'm gonna try to avoid that situation. Tick shot and reversal, immediate reversal. Do I really think it's gonna trend today too? Either. Do I really think it's gonna trend? I don't think it's gonna trend today. Who knows though? I like this trade mainly because of the 10,000 tick. It is a triangle. 10,000 tick. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Break to the upside, staying above the 20 EMA here. Big move up. Comes back, pulls back to the 20 EMA, and creates this triangle here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I forgot. I had an order here. Is it worth it? Is it worth it, pandas? YL, what's the difference between a wedge and a triangle? I've heard many different uses of wedge, but the way Al Brooks uses it is 3 pushes up. Or 3 pushes in a certain direction, essentially. So it creates a pattern like this. Like, there's a million wedges here, but... the thing about wedges is just... I don't know how to trade them. I really don't know how to trade them. Ooh. Ooh, higher low. Higher low, pandas. Higher low. One more leg up. or trading range. You gotta make a decision here and be okay with the risk reward and the probability. Probability seems low though. High or low here. Tough. I don't know. This trial could last for a long time. Yeah, and the triangles they converge, right? Triangles converge like this. Wedges diverge like that. Ooh, get the higher low, looking good. Did I miss the boat, pandas? Did I miss the boat? Am I missing the boat here? Man, oh man, oh man. 10,000 tick chart. Maybe hitting the top of the triangle? I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna miss the boat here. But patience is key. Do we really think it's gonna be a training day today, pandas? Or do we think it's gonna be a trading range day like it has been last couple days? The first 5 bars of the 5-minute chart is basically coiling up. We're storing up energy for sure. For some move. And whichever way the move goes, it's gonna be a big one. Either big up or down. We've been in a trading range. I don't know, pandas. This one's tough. It's all up to you guys. This is what you want to do. It's what you think is worth the risk reward here. This is gonna break out one way or another. This is almost always in long trade here, right? Buy the close. Huh. Huh. Second entry long does trigger on a 10,000 tick chart. And it may be hitting its head on top of this triangle. Getting a push up now. I hate missing the boat, but this might be the Titanic. Getting another leg up here after this strong bull bar. 10,000 tick chart. Hitting the top of the triangle now. Tough to say. One more test to the bottom of the triangle, perhaps. I mean, it's the second to last day of the year, pandas. A trading day. of the year, trading year. And are we
10,000
really gonna get a
tick
huge
trap.
move? Jonathan, welcome back. Good morning. During my vacation, I missed your streaming. Just FYI, it's the best part of my work time. Happy belated Merry Christmas. Let's go. I appreciate that. I do appreciate that. What is going on, pandas? What is this? What to do? I mean, that is a simple geometry, pandas. Simple shapes and colors. We have a triangle here. What should we do with triangles? Wait till they break out. That's what we should do, huh? Should wait till it breaks out. On a higher time frame, it's just an OI pattern. Okay, coming back up to the top of this. I don't know. You know why I'm confused, pandas? Because you should be confused in triangles. It's a push up, right? And typically these consolidation patterns resume the original trend, which is an uptrend. But the problem is that we are also in a trading range. Kind of looks like a dinosaur. Boom. Boom. Measure move upwards, maybe. 2000 tick. Quick look at the 2000 tick. Quick status check. And, yep, still garbage. Still absolute trash. Thoughts and prayers to those who still traded 2000 tick. It is absolute trash. Am I using the tick chart still? Yeah, I've been using tick charts. I just don't really trade a 2000 tick chart because it's absolute trash. 10,000 tick chart, I still look at the tick charts to see, right? When I look at the 5-minute chart, I like to look at the 2000 tick to see the internal structure of it. And it looks messy. It looks messy. Okay. Breaking down now. Maybe retest one more time the 20 EMA here. And I think if we bounce off of that, I'm in. I'm in long. I'm in long probably a couple contracts. If we retest the bottom, if we retest the 20 EMA here, bounce back up, I'm gonna go long. I think I've waited long enough, you know. The reason why I can't go short here is because if this trap triggers, it's above the 20 EMA, so I cannot take it. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart may be enough for me to take it to go long here. Second entry long, perhaps. On the 5-minute, maybe my setup here. And I'll have to have a tight stop because if it fails, it may come back to the bottom of the trading range. It could be easily be a possibility today. This is good enough to take on the Emini. Jeez. I almost want to take a shot on the Emini. The second entry long triggers. Ooh, okay. 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry for mentioning the E-mini. I will trade the micros for the rest of the year. And that's why you wait, pandas. That's why you don't jump the gun. You wait for your setup. $10,000 tick chart. It is retesting the bottom of the triangle and the 20 EMA. But it's also a trap. But the trap is above the 20 EMA. So this is what I'm saying. If this trap fails, it has a chance this trap may fail. It may break to the upside of this triangle. And I think that's a good setup for me at least. Right, if you come back up, now we have a failure to reverse here. Along with that, you're at the bottom of the triangle, pretty much at the apex of the triangle, time to break out. And it will be with confluence with the 5-minute chart, second entry long. If we can get that, but I don't know. This may just come back down to the bottom of the trading range. Definitely try to retest maybe the 20 EMA if it keeps pushing down. I mean, we're only a couple points away, so. No incredible insight there. Stating the obvious almost. This blue box. Are we gonna die in this blue box today? Marcus Vaughn with a $25 super chat. Appreciate it. Good morning, Panda. Just wanted to confirm to you that I received the funds in my bank account this morning for my payout request. I'm feeling so blessed and hope to inspire others with this message. Thank you. Let's go, baby. Marcus Vaughn. Congratulations. Was that your first payout? Let's go. How long? I mean, honestly, it's just music to my ears. Art for my eyes to read this message. I don't know. What's the opposite? What's like the equivalent for music to your ears? I'm guessing it's art for my eyes. Perfume for my nose. Ooh. Second entry long, pandas. It might be good enough to trade with the minis. Nah, I'm not. I will not trade with the minis, pandas. I will not. Not till next year. Appreciate the super chat. If you don't mind me asking, how much was your request? Did you do max or did you do min? Second entry long, pandas. I gotta try, right? I gotta try, but we're still in the range, which is the problem here. This is tough. It's not the best looking signal bar. We're getting a triple bottom here as well. I think I gotta try though. This might be the only trade of the day. If it sets up. You do have a fail second entry long on the 2000 tick, which may reverse this pretty strong here, which I wouldn't mind. Marcus Vaughn, I'm max 1500 on 225k. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. I'm gonna start with an eval next year, and yes, my first payout. I joined Apex in March. That is a journey. That is a journey. 1.5 years. You get to your first payout, and it's of $3,000. That is nice. Congratulations. That is, man. Nothing really hits as nice as that first payout. When you get that first payout, your eyes become open, and you realize, after 1.5 years of trading, I've gotten better. I've gotten better. Like, I can do this. You know, that's the thing about people. Once you do something once, you realize it's possible. And once you realize something's possible, whew, the sky's the limit. The sky is the limit. I may not even get a setup here. I don't know, Paris. It's maybe a dumb setup for today's market cycle. Market cycle, most likely trading range. Yet I'm trying to trade like a trend day. Silly, no? Is this not silly? Is this not a silly trade? Blacklight, geez, I thought I could get away with not paying for trading view and following the SPY chart, but it did not sync with NQ whatsoever today. I got smoked. Yee. I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Ah, yeah, TV. You got to do it on Black Friday. They have the best deal on Black Friday, and then it continues, right? If you get on Black Friday, it continues at that Black Friday price every time you renew. No, take shot. I'm keeping a tight one on this one just because if it does reverse here, it could really push down hard. But I'm thinking here, second entry long, 5-minute chart. If this breaks out, it could be a really nice trade here. That definitely would be part of it, but the market cycle, I don't know. I don't know if this is the right. I don't think this is the right day to do this. But I'm trading micros here, so yeah, it's okay. It's worth a try. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna get punished here. You gotta really, really have that conviction of the market cycle. Like, if you don't have a strong conviction, the market cycle is a strong trending day, I wouldn't try to trade a trend. It's already punishing me. Already punished me pretty hard here. That micro triple bottom. Second entry long. Bad signal bar. It's not really jumping off. It's not really bouncing off any type of support here. I'm probably gonna get punished for this. Is it worth reversing though? Maybe. I don't know. Is it worth reversing? We're above the 20 EMA. That's what I don't like about reversing this. Could easily bounce off the 20 EMA to act as support again. That is the problem. Yeah, this is a second entry long. Floating in midair. Get punished. Getting punished for it. Bad trade. I still think it's a bad trade even if it works. But I'll be a little bit happier if it does work still. No follow through on that. Complete doji bar. This is completely going sideways. 50-50 here in my opinion. Slay says almost looks like a fail second entry long. Yeah, but the problem is it feels like entry long. Coming after one push up, you're thinking one more leg up here. Typically doesn't happen like that. And doesn't have you don't like to do it above the 20 MA. I could be rewarded here for my bravery. Fortune favors a brave, pandas. 10,000 tick chart. We might get the setup that I wanted, but look at these bars. Look at this big wick here. Trading right back into it. It's a failed trap reversal here as well. What can I say? The market cycle is a trading range. And also, you're just too far into the triangle. Like, you should have broken out of the triangle here or here. But instead, we're going to the very tip of the triangle. Typically means it's going to be
10,000 tick trap.
Trading range. But pandas, we got the trigger here. Got some confluence. So you're saying I have a chance. Maybe we should have came out break even there. I don't know. It's really choppy, really sideways here. What's the worst that can happen? I lose about 15 bucks. Yep. A little more than 15 bucks. Like 16 bucks. I don't know how I feel about this, pandas. I guess I'll hold it. Let's just see what happens. This may be my only trade of the day during stream anyways. So let's see what happens. I mean, if we're going to break out of this, we've really got to break out, yeah? I mean, if we want to break out, I mean, if we're going to hold this into this kind of consolidation, we really got to break out here. Going for a 2-to-1. If we have a strong bull bar here, this could be a breakout. If this 5-minute candle ends on a strong bull bar, could be a breakout. Or just absolute confusion. One of the two. Oh, this is not looking good, pandas. I mean, if you want to talk about sus, this is sus of the super sus. This is the sussiest of sus. What's today's lesson, pandas? Today's lesson is wait for the breakout. Don't trade in the triangle. Wait till you get out of the triangle. Ooh, fortune favors the brave. Am I gonna get away with this one, pandas? Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. It does not look good. Yikes. Ooh, pandas. 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 Break out. Break out. Strong bull bar. Pandas. Pandas. Do I see? I feel volcanic eruption happening here. Do you feel it? Do you sense the volcanic eruption? Do you see the volatility of this candle about to erupt? Ooh. Oh. Something's happening here, pandas. Volcanic activity is starting. Ready for the explosion? Ready for the explosion? Oh, 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 ah, oh, 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 ah, come on, no, no, wrong way, what? Ah, oh, oh, ah, oh, come on, come on. Explode. Explosion. You gotta will into being. Explode. Up to here. Boom. Explosion. Envision it. Envision it, pandas. Just imagine the explosion to your TP. Come on. Come on. I know you want to explode. Ah, getting choppy. Quick look at the 2000 tick chart. Yep, still trash. Trash status, still trash. 2000 tick. Should we do a countdown? It might have to wait for this bar to finish for the explosion. Strong bull bar, any near its high. Blackout, you sound like the South Park episode where they all went caveman over baby. What? I don't remember that one. Ooh, but this, basically I am a caveman.
Tick trap.
I'm a Neanderthal when it comes to trading. Ooh. Oh, hey, oh, look, candle, green, big. Huh. Look. Look. Oh. See, candle. Look. Green. Big. What is happening, man? What am I turning into? This market's driving is actually making me crazy. I didn't watch the episode. I will say this though. If you didn't watch the Pandaverse of South Park, please watch it. It is like a masterpiece. The Pandaverse of South Park is so good. it's so coherent. That's the thing. Like, it's completely satire, but it's so coherent. It's just so funny. It's genius in my opinion. If you haven't watched, pandas, 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 pandas. Don't sleep on this yet. Don't sleep on this yet. Oh, pandas, pandas. Volcanic eruption. Give me a strong bull bar. I'll buy. I'll buy again. Strong bull bar. Give me a bull bar. I'll buy. Pandas. Pandas. No. What is that? No. It's tricking me. It's tricking me. It's a trick. It's a trick. Always in long, buy the close. Come on, you can do it. Always in long, buy the close. Ooh, pandas, get ready. Get ready. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. The quality of this candle is everything right now. If it's a strong bull bar, that's going to be everything. If it's complete reversal bar, I might be out. I might be out of this trade. I might just get out. Limit order bears up here. Limit order bulls down here. That's the name of the game right now. The bulls need to crush those limit order bears. You have to make them squeal. Squeeze them until they squeal. Squeeze them. Come on. Come on, give me a strong bull bar. That's all I need. Strong bull bar. Oh, pandas, pandas, pandas. Oh. I think I lost it, pandas. I think I lost it. I think I the market has made me officially going crazy. Let's look at the triangle on the 10,000 tick. We were breaking out near the apex of it. Almost a 1-to-1 is made here. It could just be a continued trading range. It could seriously be a continuation of the trading range though. If it's not a strong bull bar, I don't know. It could just be a just straight up continuation of trading range. I think we're gonna try to break the high though. I think we're gonna try to break this high. Give me a strong bull bar, any near its high. I'm buying in. Buy the close. Ooh. Pandas, this is everything. If this ends a strong bull bar, watch the flood of bulls start to come in. Flood of bulls starting to come in here. No! Buy the close. Am I able to even get in? People buying the ask. People are buying the ask. I'm in. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Near its high. Just squeezed in a limit order right there. For buy the close, always in long. Get ready for the eruption. Get ready for the volcanic eruption, pandas. To explode. For my 2 to 1. Or my 1 to 2 risk reward. Ooh! Popping up, popping up. Popping up. Right, buy the close. Always in long. Ooh. Come on, where's my follow through? Where's my follow through? We gotta break this high at least, in my opinion. We gotta break this high at least. It's bare minimum here. What is this? Jerome Powell, is that you? Are you watching my stream again? Come on, Jerome. Powie. Why you gotta do that to me, Powie? Powie, just turn on the machines. Turn on the money-making machines. Jerome! Why? I'm blaming Jerome for this. It's all Jerome's fault here. Ooh, no follow through whatsoever. Not good. You need some follow. You definitely need some follow through for confirmation on this bull bar. Iron Cruz says, I already had a volcanic eruption this morning. The hot diarrhea. Pandas. If we get a bull bar again, I'm buying. I am buying. If we get another bull bar, I'm buying. This panda is not scared. I'm almost at this bear. This bear is not scared. Ooh. 1 to 1 is made. 1 to 1 is made. Time to break through that 1 to 1. Get ready for the volcanic eruption here. Come on. Come on.
10,000 tick trap.
Strong bull bar, 10,000 tick chart. Any near its high. 10,000 tick chart, looking good. 5-minute chart, looking good. We're banging on all cylinders here. I will buy again on a strong bull bar. Actually, let me buy it with a let me buy the bid. I need a strong bull bar though. Right, there is no reason to be scared here. This panda ain't scared. Oh gosh, what's happening? What's happening? What are you doing? Jerome! What are you doing, Jerome? Powie! Stop it. Pow pow. Stop it. Right now. Stop playing games, pow pow. I know you're watching my stream. Come on, pal, pal. Don't do that to me. Jerome Powell. You would. You would, Jerome. Oh, buying. Good enough for me. Strong enough bull bar for me. Let's push through now. Come on, Powie. Don't do this to me. Black guy says, you're in a silver bullet or order block, dude. Screw that silver bullet. Who cares about that silver bullet? Silver bullet, it's not real. It's like werewolves. They're not real. They're only good for taking out werewolves. Both are mystical. Still waiting for the eruption. Hasn't happened yet. Right, if you're gonna wait for this consolidation, if you're gonna wait that long this consolidation to break out, you gotta go for the 2-to-1. You gotta go for 2-to-1 here, in my opinion. I mean, if you waited this long for this consolidation to break out, this trade gotta be worth it. 2-to-1, or 1-to-2. Sorry, risk reward. 1-to-2 risk reward. We still haven't seen the explosion, right? We haven't seen the exhaustion yet. It may come in this candle. Pandas. Let's go. Let's get it. Slowest market of all time, Pandas. Iron Crew says, don't disrespect ICT like that. Jonathan says, I think you mean don't disrespect werewolves. Blacklight says, no disrespect, but you guys see that purple dinosaur? Wow, what's going on? Inside bar. People bought the close there on that inside bar, on that bear bar. Bind the closed bulls. Let's go, baby. Push! 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 People bought the close right there, right? Bulls are still in control. You can see with the buy the close, always in long traders here still. Right? Even the bear bar, they just bought it. Inside bar broke to the upside. Pandas. Give me your peas! Push! Getting that 2-to-1. We're looking for a 2-to-1 here. Swing trade. Minimum target for swing trade. Sorry, the 1-to-2. I keep saying 2-to-1. 1-to-2. Risk reward ratio. This needs to erupt. Next bar, pandas. This needs to erupt. Next bar. I need an eruption on my chart right now. What is this? They buy the close and then reverse it? What is the point of that?
$10,000 tick trap.
Pandas, what in the world is happening? What was the point of that move? What was the point of that little blast off right there? Just to do absolutely nothing. What was the point of that, pandas? Yours truly has diamond cojones. What in the world is that? What in the world is that? Outside bar created. OIO pattern. Means breakout mode still. No follow through on the 10K chart. I created this nice bull bar. Creates a bear bar, no follow through whatsoever. I don't know. The 5 minutes still has a 20 EMA to give us some support here, which is why I'm deciding to keep it and maybe buy again at the 20 EMA. What's that Eminem song? I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. No fear, pandas. No fear whatsoever. Diamond cojones activated. Super rock hard diamond cojones. Trap may trigger on the 10,000 tick, which I love. Keeping a close eye on the 10,000 tick chart. Super Saiyan. Come on. Do you guys remember that clip of that kid that tried to go Super Saiyan, like actually in real life? And then people started editing the video to make it look like he actually went Super Saiyan. Ooh, pandas! Pandas! For those who didn't believe, eat it. Wow, look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is the eruption gonna happen now? Am I finally gonna get the eruption I've been waiting for last hour and a half? Ooh. 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 Ah. Ah. Come on. Come on. Come on, strong bull bar. If it's a strong bull bar, pandas, I need your P's. I need all your P's in the chat right now for push. Come on. Come on. Give me all your P's. Strong bull bar. Peace! Push! 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 Come on! You're so close! So close. The 1 to 2 risk reward right here from the original trade. Push. No. What? Push. Pandas, I need your peas. Give me all your peas. Push. Come on. Push. Pandas. Every P, move this up 1 tick. Every P will lower the HP of Jerome Powell. We need to weaken Jerome Powell. I need your help. Push. Push. It's stalling, Pandas. It's stalling. Pandas, it's stalling. Come on. I need this. I need a big push here. I need my eruption. I still haven't got my eruption bar. Where's my breakout bar? Where is it? I still haven't seen it. Push! I just saw a little green, Pandas. Oh, green! Pandas! Give me that green. Give me that green. Push! Green. Green. Come on. Come on. I know you want to go up. I know you still have a lot more in you. Push! No. What? Why? What? What? Why? No. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You're so close. Pandas. Pandas, what is this? Give me some green. Give me some green. Give me some green. Nope. Nope, that's not green. Strong bull bar. 10,000 tick chart.
10,000 tick trap.
Strong bull bar. 10,000 tick chart. Push! Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Ooh, green. Green. We're seeing green again. More green. Please, more green. No. What? Why? No. What? No. Pandas. Monica. Ja Rule's probably greatest moment ever in his career. Fast and the Furious. Monica. Blacklight. Lower the HP Jerome Powell. Please do a Jerome Powell Pokemon battle for the montage. No, Jerome. Pow Pow. Why? Why would you do that, Pow Pow? What was the point? What is the point of all this? Just why? Why? What is the point? Ooh. Okay. If we end positive, I'm staying in. All right. Oh, it closed right on my break even. Pandas, it closed right on my break even. We're staying in. We're gonna stay in here. We're sticking this one through, Pandas. Jerome May the favor of Jerome be with you. We need Jerome's blessing here. Come on, pal, pal. You got this. Come on, pal, pal. Come on, pal, pal. Don't be shaken, pandas. Do not be shaken. This here may be a wedge. This actually may be a wedge here. The classic Al Brooks wedge, 3 pushes up. This may be an actual instance of a wedge. Especially on a day like this where it's so choppy. Like really, no direction. It's just going pretty much sideways for an entire day. Jerome? Powell! Why? Why, Powell? Why? Powell! I'm gonna buy the 20 EMA. One contract. Hopefully 20 EMA, do your job for once in your life. Support. Give us some support when we need it. Feeling the heat now. Feeling the heat. It's not looking good, pandas. If we get a nice little bounce off of this, though, just like a springboard off the 20 EMA, that'll be beautiful. Really nice. Give me a little springboard off the 20 EMA here. That'd be nice. Feeling the heat. It's nice and warm now, pandas. This is just not the market cycle for this, pandas. I'm trying to trade it like a trend, but today is definitely trading range. Especially with the price action. Definitely feels and looks like a trading range. Yeah. Hey, pandas, we're still always in long. Hey, we're still always in long, pandas. Oh, okay, never mind. I take it all back. I take it all back. I thought we were getting that bounce. I thought we were getting that bounce that we wanted. $10,000 tick chart.
10,000 tick trap.
Looks something like this. Shall we? As long as we're above the 20 EMA. Clear stop here. As long as we're above the 20 EMA, pandas. We are buying. Feeling the heat. I'm a little bit scared now. Just a little bit scared. Feeling the heat for sure. Whew, getting hot in here. Getting real hot in here. We are actually getting a bounce off the 20 EMA here, pandas, which I do not mind. I don't mind the consolidation back to the 20 EMA. It's okay. It's our first touch of the 20 EMA as well. Price action seems to suggest trading range day today. A lot of overlap, a lot of outside bars, inside bars, breakouts that fail, reversals. Like, we're getting a lot of things that telling us that this is most likely turn to a trading range day today. Yet yours truly is trying to trade it like a trend day for some odd reason. Clearly above the 20 EMA still. Retesting the 20 EMA here. It's looking a bit bearish now. Getting some follow through on this bear bar. Slicing through support. Bulls are probably thinking we can get a better price lower. Let's get out of the trade now, get a better price lower. Bulls are probably thinking that. That's what causes these big moves down. Because bulls think, well, if I can get a lower price, why hold it here? Just sell, close my position, just buy it at a little lower price. Still above the 20 EMA. Okay, we're still above the 20 EMA. Still above the 20 EMA here. Ooh, tick lower. We'll let this play through. We'll let this play out. 10,000 tick chart still clearly above the 20 MA and actually on our trend line now. This is just taking forever, pandas. Like, is this trade even worth it? Is it even worth trading this for a few bucks today? I don't know, pandas. Still feeling the heat though. What is happening here, pandas? This is just torture. Ooh, all right. Okay, okay. Okay. I mean, if you want to go down, you go down. I get it. I'm not gonna stop you. Pow pow. Jerome! Why does Jerome always watch my streams? Doesn't he have something better to do? Why, Jerome? Why? Hey, we're still above the 20 MA. Technically, we are still above the 20 EMA. Not right now, though. Let's see if we can close above the 20 MA. That'd be nice. We got 4 bear bars in a row, looks like. It's the same movie again and again and again. When I start scaling up, it never turns out well. It's not it never turns out well. It's just on days like today we're super choppy. At the end, I'm down $133, pandas. It's all good. It's just annoying. It's just so annoying. Days like this, you know. What do you expect? I knew it was gonna be trading range day. I don't know why I was trading like a trend. I was just hoping for that 1 to 2 risk reward. Couldn't get it, especially when you're waiting in this consolidation for so long. You're thinking at least a 1 to 2 with a minimum swing trade there. But apparently we're not gonna get it, and it is what it is. So, pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe take a day off tomorrow. I'm 50-50. Pandas, let me subscribe so you guys know. I'll let you guys know if I'm going to be on tomorrow. If I got tick shot here, pandas, Jerome Powell, I have to write a letter to Jerome Powell. Tell him to stop watching my stream. If I get tick shot here and it goes right back up, it's Jerome Powell. Oh my. Jerome! Pandas, are we going to close above the 20 MA? Pow pow! Pow pow! How could you? How could you take me out like that again? Oh my. Pandas. Pow pow. At it again. Shooting me right in the tick. Alright, pandas. It is what it is. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Or maybe tomorrow. Or maybe. You know what? I should go tomorrow. Because then it's a new year, right? It's a new year. It's the day before the new year. I should stream tomorrow. But if it's another day like this, Pandas, I do not know if I want to stream. It's just so terrible. Ah. You know what? I'll stream tomorrow. I want to see you guys. I want to wish you guys farewell. I want to wish you guys farewell. At least on the last day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Pandas. Tomorrow, 9 o'clock for a pre-market show, 9:15 on mainstream. I'll see you guys there, Brian early. And trade safe, everyone. And man, this is really gonna tick shot me, huh? It is what it is. Pandas. That being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.